Hey everyone, welcome back. A quick question to you all: how do apps like Revolut, Monzo, and Klarna make money when most of what we use feels free? Free banking, free cards, free transfers. Well, today I'll tell you a short story about what's really happening behind the scenes. I promise you no finance jargons. FinTech apps don't charge you at all once like traditional banks used to. Instead, they make small amounts of money in many different ways from millions of users. Individually, it feels like nothing. At a scale, it's a serious business. Let's start with something most of us do without thinking: card payments and foreign spending. When you tap your Revolt or a Monzo card in a shop, the merchant pays a tiny fee to process that payment. You don't see it, but the app gets a small cut. Now think about foreign exchange. Revolut became popular because it offered low cost foreign exchange. But once you go beyond free limits or use it on weekends, a small foreign exchange margin applies. Monzo works similarly. Everyday foreign exchange feels cheap, but there are still margins built in. You barely notice it, but across millions of transactions, that's a real revenue. Next comes subscriptions, paying for extras. Revolut is a great example here. Most people start on the free plan, but some upgrade to premium or metal for things like higher foreign exchange limits, travel insurance, launch access, and priority support. That monthly fee is a predictable recurring income. Monzo does this too, but more likely with Monzo Plus and Premium. Same idea: basic banking is free, convenience and extras are paid. Now, let's talk about lending, where banking starts to look traditional because this is where money really compounds. Monzo offers overdrafts, personal loans. When users borrow, Monzo earns interest just like a traditional bank. Klarna does this in a different way. Instead of charging you upfront, Klarna charges retailers when you use pay in 3 or pay later. The store pays Klarna because customers buy more and the checkout friction is lower. For longer installment plans, Klarna may also earn interest. So the model is simple: make spending easy for people, and when the spending increases, someone pays for that convenience. Here's the common thread across all the three apps: they reduce friction. No paperwork, no confusing fees upfront, everything feels smooth. And when you have millions of users, even tiny fees for like foreign exchange margins, card swipes, subscriptions, lending, everything turn into serious revenue. So next time when you use Revolut abroad or tap your Monzo card or split a Klarna payment, remember you are not paying in obvious fees, you are paying in small invisible moments. That's how modern fintech makes money. Thank you for watching, and if this helped, please like and subscribe. If you want me to break down another app or fintech business model, drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.